Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Distro Technologies, and in today's video I'm going to be introducing you to another VPN. Now I'm making this video in response to a comment that was left on my previous video about SSVPN, where this individual was asking me to make a video about this particular VPN. So I did a little bit of research and I found a way that we can get this premium VPN for free, and in today's video I'm going to share it with you guys. So if you love content like this, please make sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications so you don't miss updates like this anytime I drop them. And please make sure you follow the tutorial from the beginning to the end so that you don't miss any of the steps. You can also get access to this premium VPN for free. Now, in order to get access to this premium VPN, you're going to need a payment method. Now, there are two payment options for this VPN. That is a card option and a PayPal option. Now, because I do not have a PayPal account, I use the card option. Now, for the card option, I want you guys to keep in mind that we are getting the VPN for free. So during checkout, you only be charged $0. So if you have a card with funds on it, you can go ahead and use that card and you will not be charged. If you have a card with a $0 balance or zero Ghana Cedi balance, you go ahead and use that card and you will not be charged. So keep that in mind whilst I take you guys through this tutorial. So without wasting much time, let's get into the tutorial, and please. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is head over to this website. I will leave the link in the description so that it will be easy for you guys to navigate to this website. Now over here, you have to create an account. You can go ahead and create an account using your Google or Apple or even your Facebook, but for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to use a temporary email. After you've entered your email, click on continue. Now, a verification email will be sent to your inbox. So head over to your inbox, open it and verify your email address. After doing that, now you need to create a password. Make sure you create a secure password for yourself by following all the requirements over there. After creating your password, click on continue. Now you get this notification that your account is ready, so click on the continue button again. Alright, now you're on the dashboard of your Avast account. Okay, so on the dashboard, scroll down and click on manage subscriptions. On this page, click on see subscription options. You'll be redirected to this other page. Scroll down until you see secure line VPN. Now when you see that, I want you to click on the link over there that says try it for 60 days. This will redirect you to another page that will allow you to download the VPN automatically. So go ahead and download it onto your device. Alright, so after downloading it, now install it onto your device. Just follow the instructions on the screen and everything will be installed correctly onto your device. Okay, so after successfully installing the VPN onto your device, now it's time to sign in your account. So click on the menu button, click on the sign in button. Now you'll be redirected to your browser with this web page. On the web page, click on the yes continue button. Now you will get a pop-up notification on your screen telling you that the website is trying to open your VPN. So click on open. And just like that, you have successfully signed in your account onto the VPN. Now it's time for us to activate the free trial and get our 60 days access to this VPN for free. Now close this page. Now on the dashboard of the VPN or the home page of the VPN, turn on your VPN. Now when you do that, you see this pop up over there that is giving you the option to start a free trial for $0 for the first 60 days. So click on the start free trial button. Another pop-up will be displayed on your screen. Now over here, we need to link a payment method. They've given us these two options, a card payment method or a PayPal payment method. Now I don't have a PayPal payment method, so I only have a card payment method. So you can go ahead and link your card. Now I want you to take note that the card that you will link to your account does not need to have any funds on it. It can be a card with a $0 balance because we are getting it for free. If you look at the right side of the checkout page, it says there's $0. You only be charged after the 60 days is over. So if you have a card with $0 on it, you can go ahead and link it and then activate the free trial. However, if you have a card with a balance on it, don't worry, you can still use that card to activate the free trial, but make sure to cancel the free trial before the 60 days is up. Otherwise, your card will be charged. After filling out all the information, click on Continue to Review. Over here on this page, check the box below and click on Place Your Order. Now, as you can see, our free trial has been activated, so we can go ahead and start enjoying the VPN. So head over back to the VPN, click on the menu button at the top right corner, click on My Subscriptions, and over there you will see an active subscription with the expiry date over there. Now, at the time of making this video, it is 9th July. So my subscription will end on the 7th of September 2025. So before that time, I'll just cancel my subscription and then sign up for another free trial with another email and use my card as the payment details to get another free trial. So you can keep doing this and you'll be enjoying Avast VPN for free with all its premium features. Okay, so let me connect the VPN and do the HUA test. Now, as you can see, my IP has been hidden and I have a new virtual IP displayed over there. We can even change the servers and use and connect to other countries or other servers. Alright, so that is how you can get access to the Avast VPN on your PC or your Mac. Now let me show you guys how you can get access to it on your mobile device, whether you're on an Android or an iOS. Okay, so on your mobile device, head over to your App Store or Play Store and download the Avast Secure Line VPN. After successfully downloading and installing the VPN onto your device, you'll be brought to this page over here. Now, we already have a subscription which is active on our PCs or Mac. So we are going to click on the already purchased button at the bottom. Now over here, they are giving us these 4 options to activate the VPN. Select the third option, which is enter activation code. Now, in order to get your activation code, head back to your PC or your Mac, open your VPN, click on the menu button. On the menu button, click on My Subscriptions. On the My Subscriptions page, you should see your active subscription over there with your date of expiry. Click on it. When you click on it, some information will be displayed over there for you, including your activation code. As you can see, this is my activation code over here. Now use this activation code to activate the VPN on your mobile device. And just like that, you have successfully activated Avast Secure Line VPN on your mobile device. So let's go ahead and connect to any of the servers and do a HUA test. Now, since it's the first time you are using this VPN on your mobile device, you're going to have to install the back-end configuration files before you can connect successfully to the VPN. After successfully installing the configuration file, you'll be connected to the VPN server of your choice, and now we can do the HUA test. Alright guys, so if you watch the tutorial from the beginning to the end, you should be able to get access to this premium VPN for free. and make sure to share this video with someone else who is also in dire need of a very good VPN. Also, don't forget to like the video if you found it very helpful, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace.